We are Paul and Lynn Yeso from Bolivia, North Carolina. We did the 61-day ultimate Alaska tour.
And when Paul first suggested that we go to Alaska, I was nervous because there's a lot of wilderness, and we had heard some of the horror stories from people who had gone on their own. So we really looked at Fantasy's tour and said, let's go with a tour group. And we had never done a tour group before, so this was our first, and we absolutely loved it.
Yeah, we got to do so much more than people who go on their own. Everything was scheduled, bus tours, and we would go on a bus and go to 4 or 5 different attractions in one day, and thus we got to see a whole lot more than most people would see. And another thing was people that were there on their own, we saw them turned away because there was no place for them to park, and so they would have to go and come back some other time.
And I'm the one in the couple that does all the planning, and it was so nice to be able to go on a 61-day vacation, and I didn't have to do anything more than plan how we were going to get to our starting place. And it's really a great way to travel, and eliminates a lot of stress of finding a campground, which route should we take. So we definitely do it again.
Oh, absolutely. And the whale watching cruises we took were just phenomenal. We got to see so much wildlife and learn so much about the ecology and of Alaska, and we visited glaciers, we walked on glaciers. It was just absolutely amazing.
And the wildlife, I mean, when we see a bear scooping out a salmon from a stream, that's just not something you see every day.
Right.
So we have pictures and memories that'll last forever.